wireless HDMI extenders are essential for transmitting high-definition video and audio without cables, enabling flexible setups, clutter-free spaces, and seamless media streaming over long distances. My today's video is about top 5 best wireless HDMI extenders that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Braidol Wireless HDMI Transmitter and Receiver. The Wireless HDMI Extender 4K offers a seamless, cable-free solution for high-definition video transmission, combining convenience, speed, and reliability. With zero-drop technology, it delivers true zero-latency streaming, ensuring smooth visuals for gaming, presentations, or home theater use. The plug-and-play design allows devices to connect in under 8 seconds, eliminating the need for Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or complex setups. Its 328 feet, 100 meters, range, dual-band 5G plus 2.4G support, and dynamic stability equalizer engine provide robust signal stability and anti-interference performance, maintaining uninterrupted streaming even in challenging environments. Users can choose between screen mirroring or extended display, projecting content from laptops, cameras, or TV boxes to monitors, projectors, or HD TVs effortlessly. Supporting 4K decoding at 60 Hz with an integrated LDS antenna, the system delivers immersive visuals with ultra-speed transmission. Compact and lightweight, it's ideal for travel or professional setups. Universal compatibility, along with a 24-month replacement service, makes this wireless HDMI extender a reliable, versatile solution for high-quality media projection. Now our second product is Elalight Wireless HDMI Transmitter and Receiver. The wireless HDMI kit is a versatile and convenient solution for seamless high-definition content projection. Bundled with 3 adapters, USB-C to HDMI 4K, Micro HDMI 8K, and Mini HDMI 8K, it ensures broad compatibility with laptops, cameras, TV boxes, and select smartphones or tablets. Its plug-and-play design eliminates messy cables, Wi-Fi, or app setups, allowing connection within 10 seconds and keeping your workspace or living area tidy. Supporting 4K decoding in 1080p Full HD output at 60 Hz, it delivers low-latency, tear-free video, perfect for business meetings, online learning, family gatherings, or home theater. The kit achieves a long-range transmission up to 382 feet via dual-band 2.4G per 5G technology, offering stable, interference-resistant signals. Users can choose mirroring or extension modes, projecting content effortlessly onto HD TVs, monitors, or projectors. Compact and lightweight at just 0.2 pounds, this wireless HDMI solution is highly portable for professional or personal use. Backed by a 1-year after-sales service, it offers reliable, high-quality, and flexible connectivity anywhere. Our third product is Vrriis Wireless HDMI Transmitter and Receiver. The wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver kit offers an efficient, cable-free solution for high-definition video transmission. Featuring dual antennas and 2.4/5.8G high-speed Wi-Fi, it extends 1080p Full HD HDMI signals up to 820 feet, 250 meters, in open spaces, providing strong, stable connections. Users should note that walls or glass may reduce range. Supporting 1080p at 60 Hz with minimal 0.06s latency, the system ensures smooth, colorful video and high-quality audio, ideal for real-time gaming, sports, or professional presentations. The loop-out HDMI and included IR remote cables allow control of source devices from secondary locations, adding convenience for monitoring setups. Setup is plug-and-play, eliminating complex software installation or cable clutter, and compatibility spans TVs, projectors, laptops, DVRs, and other HDMI devices. The kit supports up to 1 transmitter to 4 receivers, enabling multi-display setups while slightly adjusting range per added receiver. Backed by a 1-year warranty, this wireless HDMI kit is a reliable, versatile solution for home, office, or professional environments. Now number 4, Lzloo Wireless HDMI Transmitter and Receiver. The Wireless HDMI Transmitter and Receiver Kit delivers a seamless and stable solution for high-definition video streaming. Utilizing advanced dual-band, 5 GHz per 2.4 GHz technology, it ensures rock-solid connections with 1080p at 60 Hz output, free from dropouts or interference. With industry-leading low latency of just 0.01 s, it is perfect for movies, presentations, and smooth video playback. The system supports 4K source input, translating content to crisp, vibrant Full HD 1080p with 40% sharper detail and 16.7 million colors, ideal for immersive home theaters, office setups, or outdoor projector use. With a long-range transmission of 328 feet, 100 meters, and dynamic anti-interference technology, the signal remains stable even across extended distances. Setup is effortless, thanks to prepared plug-and-play design, and the lightweight 45G units are highly portable. The kit includes 3 adapters, USB-C to HDMI 4K, Mini HDMI, and Micro HDMI 8K, ensuring broad device compatibility. Backed by a 24-month replacement warranty, this kit is reliable, versatile, and travel-ready. And our last choice is Yuyunlomn Wireless HDMI 4 Receivers and Transmitter. The Yuyunlomn Wireless HDMI Kit is a cutting-edge solution for multi-screen streaming, offering seamless connectivity from 1 transmitter to up to 4 HDMI receivers, expandable to 6 for even greater versatility. With built-in 4K decoding in 1080p at 60 fps output, it delivers smooth, vibrant visuals and crystal-clear audio for presentations, gaming, movies, or business applications. Its dual-band 2.4G per 5G transmission and dual antenna design provide strong, stable signals that can traverse walls and obstacles, ensuring interference-free performance. The kit supports plug-and-play functionality, eliminating complex setup, Wi-Fi, or Bluetooth requirements. With a transmission range of up to 165 feet, 50 meters, users enjoy flexible placement without cable constraints, though walls may slightly reduce range. Enhanced heat dissipation and intelligent temperature control ensure safe, comfortable use during prolonged operation. Bundled adapters, including USB-C, Micro HDMI, and Mini HDMI, expand compatibility across laptops, cameras, and Blu-ray players. Ideal for home entertainment, business, or educational use, this wireless HDMI kit delivers professional-quality multi-screen streaming with ease. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.